videoing something. Here, video me. Here. Okay, everybody. So now we're doing moonshine. Just kidding. This ain't moonshine. How the fuck is your phone around? I didn't have the video you. So we're gonna be putting these little Twizzlers in this tea. And it's on something really hot. Very. So you see that? Hot. Get out of my leg, GoPro. Bro, you see that? Look at this. I'm so blind I can't see a thing. Look inside of it. That looks so cool from, like... So, we're big fans of Jeffy, so we go, ooh, ooh. I did that right. Ooh, ooh. Don, what are you doing, Candy? We're going to be doing all this. Oh, framp. Stupid things are so hard to open. Okay, we'll get back to you when we're done. Got some paw fume. Go. We also had this paw fume. This right here. It's like perfume, but it's paw fume. For dogs. See, dog, grooving, and finishing spray. See, we can put this in here too. And now, the final thing. Let me see if it's heated up. Yeah, hot? It'll heat both sides up. So now we're just going to heat both of the sides up. To be continued. Put your hand like. Alright, so today, if we get 5,000 likes and around 20 subscribers, somebody will be winning a free Amazon Fire tablet. But it's been used. No, it hasn't been used. It just got out of the packet. And we don't use it no more, so. Here it is. See, it still works, but it's dead. That's one reason why we're getting rid of it. We don't got a charger. And I'm pretty sure y'all other kids and stuff got these tablets. Well, it's over there. And wait, if we didn't have a charger, how am I charging my phone? Well, your charger has a C-port charger. True. Oh. We'll also be giving away a power thing. A power thing. If we get 5,000 subscribers. But the big final finale, we will be giving away a free Xbox One. Brand new. Straight out the box. I have the controller right there. I've played it once. We just. No, you didn't. You played mine. Oh. But we don't have any power cords. And y'all young bucks, rich, y'all can go buy your own power cords. That's if we hit 1 million subscribers. But here comes the final finale. It's hot, isn't it? Oh, that's hot. That's warm. That's cold. Yeah. That's like warmish cold, so. Aiden? This is heavy. And one thing, y'all. Roll Tide. Here we go. You just messed up that thing. You gotta shake that, like steer that. What are you steering that with? A pencil. A pencil. Actually don't taste bad. So here we go. Let's add 2 more sprays. I think we're good. Okay, so bring it over here. So bring the phone over here. Y'all see this? Y'all see how the nasty this stuff looks? That's like all sugar and crap.
And look at all the little things inside. That looks like moonshine. We got that smooth moonshine. We're just kidding. We're just little kids.
We're 13.
You can taste the dog shampoo the most. Y'all can actually taste. Y'all taste this the most. Here we go. We gotta drink this whole bottle though. Both of us have to share it together.
Let's do one more blue.
Let's do one more blue. Okay, this is the last Twizzler or punch thingy.
Okay.
We're putting in.
You ready for this?
Ow! I landed on this. Ow! That hurt. I'm gonna try to stand up my phone. No, let me. Go, man.
Sorry, this kid's stupid. Alright, so here we go now. 5. Wait a minute. Y'all want to see something cool? Okay, so we're going to go. We're going to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cat meow show. Meow, 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 meow. Clean up on all 9. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We go. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Chug it. I got a big mouthful. It's your turn to get a big mouthful. And you gotta swallow some of it.
Dude, you can taste the parfum the most, definitely.
Y'all, you can definitely taste the parfum. So, I didn't like it at all. Once again, this is Cameron and Aiden. Cameron Moshe and Aiden Allen. Peace.